Hello and welcome to Tutorial 2, Advanced Words and Definitions for the Social Dictionary. And here we'll learn about the different actions you can do on each definition. If we look up the word we were looking at last time, lexicon, we can see that we can also like and comment before we favorited this word. And so it's the first one that appears, but we can like it here and unlike it, as well as dislike it. If we refresh, we can see that the disliking went through. If you go to the comment icon, we can add a comment here and either press on the right chevron or the return key. And then we'll sort by recent and display our comment. We can like, dislike, report, or delete this comment as well. But if we click on the comment icon, reply icon, we can have a reply here the same way. And that is how to comment and reply. If we go back, we can see that there's one comment. Now if we go to the word and create a definition, we can create one here with a definition plus and have a definition here. You can change the part of speech. It doesn't have to be a noun. And you can also have a usage or synonyms, but they aren't required. If we submit this definition and sort by recent, you can see that our created definition appears at the top. And we can edit it. Add some exclamation marks. And see that went through. We can also edit a definition that already exists with edit copy. That'll just create a new definition with the values filled out from the previous definition. And then we'll say my definition now. And you can see that this worked. And the star transferred, this one is now favorited instead of the previous one that we already had. So your favorites will transfer to your new edit copy. We can also delete these as they are kind of spam at this point. So delete. And see that went through. You cannot delete one that isn't your own, however. And, we can also report. So if we go to the report, you can choose from these 4 options, or you can choose other, where you can state your reason. Maybe I just don't like it. And then submit, and that will send the report. If we want to create a word instead of a definition, we can go to the third bottom tab on create and create a word that doesn't exist. Let's try to search for ASDF. And it was not found. So if we go to create, and create this one, this word will appear as there's a definition now. And then if we look for another word and then go back to the previous word, our definition and word will appear here. If we want to delete this word, we'll have to delete the last definition. So if we delete this definition, search for something, and then search for that previous word, it no longer exists again because the last definition was deleted. And that concludes this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.